Menta kasngi sajain ka karwe tarik ujamang arjara posau ka Southwest Castles District Cricket Association kalayo ban pli ka shilam aji hikai ya ka balatip kung ka Southwest Castles District Cricket Academy Haban Mountain Southwest Castles District UN Bhata Charji Presiden juga Meklia Cricket Association ubagi dian karkongor Honorary Secretary Udruba Thakuria Honorary Treasurer juga Meklia Cricket Association harangkat kajian lang kinukit kam jungka Southwest Castles District Cricket Association. Kinongkran hakane kasngi kilai mesim nakabenta ka Southwest Castles District Cricket Association kabala syeme kene ka sinjam takaba pli kene ka bandan lemba ka jingkershan juga MCA hakaba hadu shispa prapangur EA ki khana kila mi hikmat bandrung hapo ka shlam aji hikai lekai cricket. Kila buru ka jingkerpa ki khana aba kino hikai ni ki coach. Bakin shimkia ka kam kram ka sayo shibun ki jimentoy kalawe ki jongki namar kumbala tip baka Southwest Castles District kadika Wayne ki district kabajupan mi ikinil kai sports.
I, on behalf of Meghalaya Cricket Association, Southwest Khasi Hills District Association, and each and every individual of this district, deem it an honor to unveil the plaque marking the opening of the South Wales District Cricket Association Cricket Academy. Kublai Yepshibaro. See, Southwest and Southwest, as far as sports is concerned in our state, has been number one. So in cricket also, we want that majority of our boys and girls should come from this district. It is really heartening. I think Gideon, after the Shillong Academy, I think this is the biggest academy, 180 Filahongam. So this is not a small number. But like Bakhain said, it is not numbers, but it is the quality which matters. And you have such good administrators, officials, and we are very hopeful. All the way we came from Shillong, but we feel so happy that we have come here, and the number of students or the players which are here, but I want that all of you should continue. And from Meghalaya Cricket Association, we give you full support, because the ground was a challenge, but now you have overcome. So we want Southwest Khasi Hills to revive that glory, which I had said, and come forward and take the cricket forward with our boys and girls.
Asalong ruk idan ke academy, bat kalong kumne. But they nang tu hi ngi sayo pan penmi I players ke bat tebet ke ban mi khmat na menta ke jela ke jongi elada phi ai ne hang ne kum ne man kasngi sajan ru balese ngat kerpat ya ka district akisngi shuti bat khamtam haki por talang ba phi premier long ye ke school ki jong phi ese haki ki por pinang bon chushu kisngi ba phi pinyo banila kai ngi sheningi duna ki isngi lakai namarba jur khanuslap enrai haki portlang pan ilong rkhiang ingidi ban shim yakata kabu kaba kamariang ka ahengi kaba ngingin yo manila kai khambun sngi haki sngi talang bangin yo man pinpet ilade namarba kanne snem bangala don hakanik administration akalong haka district level but meta haka state level ngampat GOE bat kamtam igi kena kane bakin wan ong banyadon benta hakadeka cricket academy eka pen sngo shibun eka dono eka min sem gajonga bai EP don lang hakadeka por oi kumbong i secretary mene kani hi kada day hi kajing trang kajing angnut kajongi kum ka state association bakumno ngin lamprang akaliang juga cricket agane ka jala ka jongi kumta kum ka state association hi ngilaong ba manki district ibadon kane ka affiliation bat ka MCA ngidei ban sedang yaki academy ki jongi bat kumjuru ngidei ban penyelakai yaki neki inter school cricket tournament namar isotho balada ngi habban ya chakmat akaliang jogi cricket ngidei ban ulut ya ka por ka jogi agini ki grassroots cricket namar ladangi petak ya kane ka benta ka cukut no kumto endai ladangi perkhat ya ka benta ba ka lasai mafihi baro kibadai ka benta ba ka lasai jonga cricket jongi ha ka state kumtangi naga MCA ilaya kwa hi banya develop ini cricket aman laki district